Of the following is not core data type. In the case of the core data type point of view, the list is a core data type, dictionary is a core data type, tuple is a core data type, class. The class is not the core data type. The class is a user defined data type. The class is the user defined data type. What data type is this? Li equals to 1 comma 2 3 comma hello comma 1. Whenever there are the square brackets, in Python point of whenever there is a square bracket, it is called as a list. It is called as a list. Whenever there are the curly braces, then it is called as a dictionary, or it is also called as a set. Whenever there is a parenthesis, it is called as a tuple. Which of the following function convert a string to a floating point in Python? To convert any string into floating point, we need a function. That function name is called as a float function. Option C. Float of x will convert the given string x into the floating point format. Which Python data type maintains the order of elements inserted? Means in the whatever the order we are inserting the elements, you have to maintain the same order only. If we are taking the list here, it is maintaining the same order of insertion. Means if I give the data like this one, 1, 2, 3. Whenever I am writing the L dot update 5 and 6, the 5 6 will be added at the ending only. Here it is maintaining the order of insertion, and also the dictionary also. If you are taking the dictionary, in the dictionary also, whenever we are adding the end element, those will be added at the ending only. It is maintaining the order here. That's why the option D, both B and C is the answer. Both B and C nothing but the list and dictionary, both are maintaining the order of elements inserted. What is a variable in Python? The variable stands for it is a location in memory to store the data. Variable stands for it is a memory location. In this memory location, we can store the data here. If you want to store the integer data, we can store the integer, floating point, double, long double. We can store the strings also. Okay. To store the any type of data, we need a memory location. That memory location is called as a variable. Option C. How do we declare a variable in Python? Actually, if you are taking the C or the Java language, the declaration is this type here, data type, you have to write the variable 1, variable 2, and so on, variable n, means integer x, like this one. But in the case of the Python point of view, there is no need of any type of declaration. Directly write down the variable name and the corresponding data here. If I wrote the x equals to 4, the 4 is stored in the x variable. Now the x is called as integer variable. Whenever I wrote the y equals to 1.2, the 1 is a floating point value. Now the y is called as a floating point variable. There is no need of the separate declaration. Depending upon the data, automatically the type will be attached here. Option D, x equals to 4. What is the correct way to comment the single line in Python? Here the in Python point of view, to provide the single line comments, we are having a hash symbol. After the hash symbol, whatever the data you are adding here, this complete data becomes as a commented. After the hash symbol, whatever data you are adding here, that data will be commented. To write the single line comment, we are using the hash symbol. Hash, after that write down the comment line. Hash, after that write down the comment line here. Next, which of the following is a valid variable in Python? What is a valid variable here? If you are having any variable name, the variable name begins with the alphabet or underscore only. The remaining all the letters may be alphabets or digits or underscore. See this one here, one variable. The variable is beginning with the digit. This will not be accepted. My underscore variable, yes, this is accepted. Global. Global is a keyword actually. Don't use this one. Variable minus 1. Minus 1 is not accepted. Underscore 1 is accepted. Minus 1 is not accepted. Means my underscore variable is a valid variable name. How do you swap the values of two variables in Python without using the third variable? Here the code is the x comma y equals to y comma x. Its meaning is like this. Assume here the x value is 5, the y value is 6 here. Whenever you wrote the x comma y equals to y comma x, the y value will be stored in the x variable. X value stored in the y variable here. Means now the x value becomes as 6, y value becomes as a 5 here. Option B. Which of the following data types is immutable in Python? Okay. Immutability stands for once the object is created, it is not allowing any type of modification. Whenever the object is created, this object will not allow any type of modifications. Means it is not allowing the addition, subtraction, deletion, updation, anything. It is not allowing here. The tuple. Yeah, you are saying that the tuple is called as a immutable object, whereas the list is a mutable, set is a mutable, dictionary is also mutable, whereas the frozen set is there. There is another concept which is called as a frozen set. The frozen set is called as the immutable object. Right. See this one. What is the output of the following code? The x value is 10, the y value is 5, z equals to x plus 5. 10 plus 5. Now the value becomes as a 15. The z value is 15. Print the z value 15. 15 is answer. 15 becomes as answer.